In a peaceful village, nestled between majestic mountains, lived a group of cows. Far beyond the village, in the heart of the forest, resided a wise and gentle lion named Leo. As the days passed, a drought struck the village, leaving the fields barren and the cows thirsty. Leo, the compassionate lion, saw the plight of the village and decided to help. Gathering his animal friends, Leo carried barrels of water from a hidden spring to the village. The village flourished once more, and the cows were grateful for Leo's kindness. The lion taught us that kindness and compassion can overcome any hardship. True friendship knows no bounds.